Printhead Protection Program, the ultimate safeguard for your printing operations. But what is it, and why do you need it? Printhead replacements make up a significant amount of your operating costs, even as high as 40% of the original printer costs. Subject to only using Zebra certified supplies and signing up to a certain label print volume, you may be eligible to receive printhead replacements at a significant discount, which could save you thousands over the lifetime of your printer. Zebra printers are truly compatible with Zebra supplies. Whenever you purchase Zebra media, you can be sure it's undergone a rigorous 23-step R&D process, including a 25-kilometer print run with no visible damage to the printhead. With printhead protection, even the highest volume users will maintain optimal performance. Enjoy its simple enrollment and redemption, making it hassle-free to stay protected. Simply ask your partner to enroll you and contact them whenever you require a replacement. Easy as that. With Zebra's Printhead Protection, get all your printing needs from one source whilst reducing costs, minimising downtime and ensuring high quality printing. Simply speak to your partner today and let Zebra take care of the rest. Find out more at zebra.com/supplies.